So this is where gin comes from. Heyo homeowners, DIY and professional landscapers, my name is Hudson with HeyoCreative.com, and if you have a landscape project coming up, then I've got a gift for you as a way of saying thanks for joining me today. It's a step-by-step guide that will take you start to finish through your landscape project, no matter what it is. It's the same process that I use as a professional to save myself time, stress, and money while I'm doing my project. So I want you to have that for free. You can get it by clicking the link down below or by pausing this video and hitting the QR code in the corner. Okay, now that you've got that awesome guide, let's talk about junipers. Junipers are an awesome low maintenance plant that, fun fact, is one of the primary botanical ingredients of gin. Junipers have a really intense pine scent, and you can kind of set them and forget them for multiple years before you have to do anything with them. However, it's not an indefinite thing. If you ever see those landscapes from the 70s that looked really good in the moment but now are a little overgrown, okay, really overgrown, and you can't see the house anymore, they probably have junipers, boxwoods, and barberries. However, junipers are luscious and lovely and can make your landscape look not only really great long-term with really low maintenance, but really classy. There's something about white and green that goes really well together. And I don't know if you can see it from here, but these have these lovely little blueberries on them that, while they're blueberries, they're not blueberries. I wouldn't recommend eating them. Don't eat plants without checking if they're poisonous or not. But that being said, these are an incredible ornamental or specimen that you can plant in your yard with huge effect to making your yard look not only great now, but great long term. So once you've got your free guide, consider junipers as a potential plant that you could put in your landscape. Thanks for joining me today. Like and subscribe if you like gin or have enjoyed this video. And let me know in the comments what project you are working on with your landscape. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.